Hi everyone, and welcome back to Vintage Nook. It's Michelle here, and I'm so excited to have you join me today as we kick off the new year with a fresh start for our homes. In this video, I'll be sharing some simple yet stunning ways to create a clean and cozy modern English country vibe, perfect for a January reset. Let's dive in and make your space feel refreshed and inviting. A fresh start begins with decluttering, and in a modern English country home, even organization can be charming. Swap plastic storage bins for elegant woven baskets or rustic wooden crates. Use glass jars with vintage-inspired labels to store pantry items or small household essentials, blending practicality with aesthetics. By keeping surfaces clear and minimizing clutter, you can create a calm and inviting space. To maintain the English country charm, focus on timeless pieces that double as decor. For instance, an antique trunk can serve as both storage and a coffee table. These thoughtful touches ensure that even functional spaces like the kitchen or entryway stay cohesive with the overall aesthetic of your home. Adding cozy textures is key to creating a warm and inviting modern English country home this winter. Start by layering chunky knit throws over a linen sofa or armchair. Incorporate soft cushions in muted tones like cream, taupe, or sage green to enhance the cozy yet refined atmosphere. These details not only bring warmth but also elevate the style of your living spaces. For extra charm, mix materials such as soft wool, light cotton, and delicate lace to create depth and visual interest. A neutral area rug with subtle patterns can anchor the room, while layered bedding in soft pastels gives bedrooms a fresh and tranquil feel. The result is a space that feels both luxurious and welcoming. Greenery breathes life into any room, and it's a perfect way to refresh your home for January. Place potted herbs like rosemary and thyme on windowsills for a functional yet decorative touch. Add ivy or trailing plants to bookshelves to soften the look and bring a natural flow to your space. Don't forget a centerpiece bouquet of fresh flowers in a ceramic or vintage glass vase for a pop of color and elegance. Keep the arrangement simple and organic to complement the modern English country vibe. For a cohesive look, use natural materials like terracotta pots or wicker baskets for your plants. Greenery not only enhances the aesthetic appeal but also purifies the air, making your home feel clean and rejuvenated. The fireplace mantel is the heart of an English country home, and January is the perfect time to give it a fresh look. Arrange vintage books with their spines turned out for a rustic touch, and add brass candlesticks for a timeless glow. Accent the setup with a botanical print or two in distressed wooden frames, and complete the vignette with a vase of fresh-cut flowers. Balance is key in creating a mantel display that feels curated but not cluttered. Use varying heights and textures to add depth and interest. For example, mix a smooth ceramic vase with the aged patina of brass and the soft tones of weathered wood. This charming setup sets the tone for the rest of your cozy home. Light can transform the mood of your home, making it feel clean and inviting. Maximize natural light by hanging sheer curtains in neutral tones, allowing sunlight to stream in. Strategically place mirrors to reflect light and create an illusion of more space. These simple adjustments can brighten even the darkest corners. To complement natural light, incorporate soft lighting with table lamps or sconces featuring pleated shades. A dimmable floor lamp in a cozy reading nook is both functional and stylish. These lighting choices enhance the warm, serene vibe of a modern English country home. A new year is the perfect opportunity to rethink your furniture layout. Shift larger pieces to create a more open and functional flow, ensuring each area feels cozy and purposeful. For example, reposition a vintage armchair by a window to create a charming reading corner. Keep the modern English country aesthetic in mind by pairing rustic wood furniture with soft, neutral textiles. Add an area rug to anchor the seating arrangement, and use smaller accent pieces like side tables or ottomans to enhance the flow and comfort of the room. Refreshing your dining table can instantly elevate your home's ambience. Start with a neutral linen tablecloth as a base and layer it with simple yet elegant ceramic dishes. Add a fresh floral centerpiece featuring soft blooms like roses or hydrangeas to bring a touch of nature indoors. Incorporate vintage glassware and brass utensils for an elevated yet approachable look. Keep the overall styling minimal to maintain a clean, fresh vibe. This timeless tablescape is perfect for cozy family meals or an intimate gathering with friends. Timeless accessories bring character to any space, and vintage finds are perfect for a modern English country home. Decorate with weathered picture frames, antique clocks, and rustic trays to add personality to your living areas. These elements give your home a story, blending history with charm. Balance vintage pieces with modern elements to avoid an overly cluttered look. For instance, pair a sleek sofa with an antique side table or a modern lamp with a vintage-inspired clock. This mix-and-match approach ensures your decor stays fresh and cohesive. Bookshelves are more than just storage, they're an opportunity to showcase your style. Arrange books with a mix of upright and horizontal stacks, interspersed with decorative objects like ceramic vases or framed photos. Add greenery such as potted plants or ivy to soften the look. For a cohesive English country vibe, stick to a neutral color palette and incorporate natural materials like wood and wicker. Avoid overloading the shelves to maintain a clean and organized appearance. This thoughtful arrangement turns your bookshelves into a focal point. A pleasant fragrance sets the tone for a refreshed home. Use candles, diffusers, or simmer pots with scents like lavender, eucalyptus, or citrus to create a calming and inviting atmosphere. Choose simple, elegant vessels that blend seamlessly into your decor. Strategically place your scented elements in high-traffic areas like the living room, entryway, or bedroom. Layer scents to create depth. Combine a lavender diffuser with a rosemary-scented candle for a harmonious aroma. These small touches make your home feel fresh and rejuvenated. Thank you so much for spending time with me today and exploring these ideas to refresh your home for the new year. I hope you found some inspiration to bring a clean and cozy modern English country vibe into your space. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Vintage Nook for more decor inspiration, and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your favorite tip or how you're resetting your home this January. See you in the next video.